Good night, everybody. This is a very basic, like tip, since I am still in my journey with Blender, but I want to share this just in case. If you have, I am rigging this character as part of the tutorial by the guy who created the Rigify plugin. Human rigging, I suppose, uh, is the name. If I remember correctly. So yeah, back into the topic. If I want to move, I have this X symmetry enabled. But if I move this bone, nothing happens. So why is that? You have to probably this. If you're an expert, sorry about that, but I will be sharing all this very basic stuff. You need to name. Look at this. At this part of the window here, I am renaming the bonds with left and this with R. And in this version of Blender 4.0, look at this. Okay, in this new version of Blender, you don't have to do all this manually. You can mirror the character and the armature and symmetrize the whole thing. But if you are like revisiting some topics from this tutorial is from more than 10 years ago, but it's an amazing content. You will see that this is the reason for the symmetry. So hopefully you find it useful and see you later. Don't forget to check this video once published. Bye. Thank you.